So I bet if I asked you, you would have a couple of things on your to-do list, your task list that you're kind of like not excited about doing. But I'm going to share with you something that helped me cross that bridge and deal with things that maybe I didn't want to deal with. And it's a book that I read called Eat That Frog. It is by Brian Tracy. I am going to share a link where you can watch him kind of share the book and kind of break it down a lot better for you directly from the author himself. But my takeaway from it personally is I apply it every day into my work. So when I arrive at a client's house, or if it's like at my own house, I think about that one thing that I'm like dreading, that I'm not looking forward to, that I don't want to do. And you do that one thing. And the concept is when you get the ugly thing that eat that frog, you're going to go ahead and tackle the frog, which is your difficult task. When you tackle that difficult task right away, handle it immediately, everything else is just easier. So I wanted to share with you that quick little hack. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and link that video in the description for you so you can kind of dig into it a little bit more. Of course, I'm a big audiobook consumer, so I listen to books more than I sit and read them. So if that is more your speed, definitely check out your local library audiobooks. They are free to download, consume. It's a fantastic option for you if you are like me. Also, check out your local library for the free book where you can just read it on your own and at your own pace. But I wanted to share with you that little hack because I feel like when folks tackle that difficult task first, it really does make the day a whole lot easier, a whole lot more manageable. For example, today I am standing in my kitchen and I was not looking forward to mopping the area right by my front door or my back door. I did both my front door and my back door today because we are starting to do the springtime thaw. It's like almost spring. And our meteorologists are saying that we're not supposed to have a whole lot of deep freezes where I am at. So with that in mind, I wanted to get the floors and get all that like rock salt that was like kind of like dried on the floors and it wasn't very pretty. So I went ahead and tackled that. But drop in the comments what difficult task, what frog you are going to go ahead and eat. Drop the words eat that frog below if you are interested in checking out that audiobook, or if you are going to go ahead and listen to Brian Tracy himself explain it. So thanks so much for joining. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great and productive day.